Your Roku is quietly showing you ads, even when you're not watching anything. Most people never notice this, but in the next minute, you'll remove almost all of them. Start with the home screen. Sometimes that background image, it's not just decoration, it's sponsored. Here's how to stop it. Go to Settings, open Theme. Find Sponsored Wallpapers, turn it off. Now your home screen stays yours. No random takeovers. If you want full control, also disable seasonal changes and animations. That locks your screen exactly how you want it. Next problem. Apps you never use. Sitting at the top. That's not random. Use the star button on your remote. Move apps you like to the top. Push useless ones to the bottom, or remove them completely. This doesn't just clean your screen. It removes subtle promotion placements you didn't ask for. Now the sneaky one. When your Roku is idle, that city screensaver appears. And yes, it includes ads, billboards, movie promos, brand placements, all baked in. To remove it, go to Settings, open Theme, Screensavers. Pick anything else. There are hundreds of options, or even use your own photos. Now your TV isn't advertising when you walk away. Next, this is the biggest upgrade. That recommended row at the top? It's not really for you. To remove it, go to Settings, open Home Screen, disable recommended rows gone. But don't stop there. In the same menu, turn off things like Live TV, What to Watch, Sports, extras you never use. What you're left with is simple. Just your apps, nothing else. Now here's the truth. You won't remove every ad. Some are built into the system. That's how these platforms make money. But this setup cuts out almost everything that actually gets in your way. Clean screen, no distractions. Your Roku, finally under your control. If you want more hidden fixes like this, stay tuned.